Hey guys, I wanted to do a nighttime clean with me routine, and I'm going to be giving you a few tips that I do to kind of get myself motivated to clean at night. So my first tip is I usually take a shower first and get myself ready for bed. That way after I'm done cleaning, I can just go right to bed. So that's why you see me in a turby towel and not a normal outfit. Ignore my outfit choices for my past couple cleaning videos. I've been trying to clean in more comfortable clothes just because it's easier for me. So just ignore the outfit choices I have here. But yes, just starting off by getting dishes put away and washing dishes from dinner, and I think from the morning. I had some dishes from this morning that I didn't do before I left for work, so just getting those all cleaned up first. I really miss having a sink sprayer so much. I'm using the Pyrex glass thing, glass measuring cup to clean out my sink because I don't have a sink sprayer. I miss one. But yeah, I cleaned out my sink with just some dish soap and the Pyrex, and I'm just going to get my dishwasher started. And another tip for you guys is getting like a beverage ready, like a hot drink ready or whatever you need. I like drinking tea or hot chocolate. So after I start this dishwasher, I'm going to be drinking some Celestial Seasoning True Blueberry Tea. And this just really, I don't know, I like it. It's like, it just helps me keep going and keep cleaning. I also put some honey in it. Another tip is to listen to some music. I'm just using my Pandora app. I was trying to find a good Christmas station that had Trans-Siberian Christmas because that's my favorite Christmas music to listen to, but I couldn't find one, so I ended up just listening to a random Christmas station on Pandora. So that's another good like motivating tip to get a playlist, some music or something, relaxing music at night, or I don't know, any type of music that helps you, that you like to listen to while cleaning or whatnot. So one of my favorite products to use in my nighttime routine is the Norwex microfiber cloth, and I like using it because you can just get it wet and then wipe down your counters, and it's supposed to sanitize your counters and clean your counters and all that kind of stuff in one step without using any extra products. So I really enjoy using my Norwex microfiber cloth at night after cooking in the kitchen and all that kind of stuff. So it's just quick and easy and really fast. So I'll leave all the information of where I get it from and who I buy it from in my description box also. Alright, and the last couple things I do in the kitchen is sweep. I thought about using my Swiffer dry dusting cloth sweeper thing, whatever that thing's called. But I figured I would just sweep because sometimes that doesn't pick up like the chunky food particles, that Swiffer duster broom thing. So sweeping, I ended up having to sweep in the end. So I figured I'd just sweep tonight and then I can always do the Swiffer thing before I mop my floors for my weekly cleaning. So I'm also going to change out my trash can liner. We have valet trash at our apartment and they come Monday through Thursday, so sometimes I forget to put my trash out and then I'll have a whole thing of trash for them by Sunday night and then I feel super bad, so I try to get it at night, that way they don't have like a ton of trash building up on them. Also going to sweep my entryway. This gets really bad after like snowstorms and all that kind of stuff because when it snows up here they always gravel our apartment area, the roads and stuff, so there's always like gravel and dirt and all kinds of stuff. So I try to sweep it at night after cleaning my kitchen just so it doesn't get so bad, and it doesn't happen every night. And this is basically it for my nighttime routine. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below what your nighttime routine looks like. Subscribe, and as always, live life in full bloom. And I will see you guys later. Bye. Wait till the end till you see Dante. He looks so cute also. Alright, bye.